If you need to cancel a pending transfer on personal capital, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your request is processed correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your personal capital account by entering your username and password on the website or app. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section in the main menu. This is where you can view all your pending and completed transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to open its details. This will provide you with more information about the transaction and options available. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the cancel option within the transfer details. Click on it and confirm your decision to cancel the transfer. You should receive a confirmation message once the cancellation is successful. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on personal capital. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance.